Mining is invasive. To extract raw materials from the earth, mining companies employ heavy excavators, haul trucks, and men with shovels to dig into the ground. This rapid digging not only destroys the soil, but it also releases toxic compounds, radioactive rocks, metallic dust, and asbestos-like minerals into the air and water, all for a small concentration of a precious mineral or metal. The harsh environmental impacts of mining are many. The list includes sinkhole formation, soil, groundwater, and surface water contamination, hazardous byproducts including wastewater, destruction of wildlife habitat, and loss of biodiversity, to name a few. Worse, the impact extends far wider than the mining site itself and continues decades after the mining activity is done. Many companies are incorporating more recycled resources to support sustainable initiatives. The furniture industry has also noticed this trend and has increased its part in using recycled plastics, wood, and metals when creating its products. Upcycling and the use of vintage pieces have always been a popular trend in the interior decoration. Building off this idea, furniture companies are coming up with ways to integrate recycled and reclaimed materials in the core of their mission. By adopting the mindset that there is already an abundance of usable materials, furniture retailers are finding their role in the circular economy. Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought you scrap metal furniture and decor ideas using chain for your inspiration. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. So we advise you to watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. By just depending on its negative side effects, shutting down mining can prove devastating too. It's a globally $496 billion industry, with the livelihood of millions depending on it. Moreover, sectors around the world, especially high-tech industries, rely on metals and rare earths to survive. But while banishing mining is impossible, reducing the need for it is within reach, and recycling the scrap metal is a step in the right direction. If the world recycles enough scrap metal, the demand for virgin materials will decrease and mining activity will follow. However, we are still miles away from that goal. The recycling rates of metals. A status report from International Resource Panel found that the recycling rate for metals is low. On paper, recovering metals over and over again is more than doable. Yet, less than 33% of the 60 metals included in the report have over 50% recycling rate, with about another third having less than 1% recycling rate. Let's work together and get those numbers up. Plants need to process newly extracted materials and metals before they are market ready, which puts additional strain on our environment. However, repurposing scrap metal into new products requires significantly fewer natural resources and less energy. For example, recycling a ton of steel conserves 2,500 pounds of iron ore, 1,400 pounds of coal, and 120 pounds of limestone, says the American Iron and Steel Institute. Not to mention it saves enough electricity to power 18 million households for a year. On the other hand, recovering a ton of aluminium can save 21,000 kilowatt hours. Recycling reduces the need to mine virgin bauxite, leading to 95% energy savings. While not as massive as the mining industry, recycling scrap metal is a potent booster for the economy. In the US, the metal recycling industry generated $64 billion in 2020 and recovered 40 billion worth of non-ferrous metals like aluminum, copper, and lead. And remember, we are yet to recycle enough. If we can bump up the recovery rates for different metals, the economic advantages will also grow, and the financial incentives afforded by metal recycling can extend to you too. Recycling scrap metal is a great way to give old items a new life, while also adding a little money to your pocket. Collecting scrap metal and selling it is one option of recycling. The other option, which could make you creative and enable you earn more revenue, is making metal art, metal furniture, and metal decor items using the scrap metals. As you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting scrap metal furniture and decor ideas using chains for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use in your projects from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.